Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Hobby Lobby Shop with me for homecoming mom supplies. Yay! So here's the feather boas for $4 each. I think that's a really good buy. They're not like huge full ones, but they're thicker than the ones you would get at like Dollar Tree or something. And you could double them up if you wanted them really, really full. But they get all kinds of colors and different styles, so it's a really good place to go for the boas. So now I'm in the sewing department where like the hair bow ribbons are. So on this side is where like all the elastics are. So I use these on ring mums, wrist mums, even like the really peewee garters. Sometimes I'll use elastic instead of a garter. And they have all kinds of elastics, and then they also have all kinds of like blingy type trims and ribbons on this side. So you will notice some of the elastics and stuff that I buy. There's the football one, and then all these different shades, different colors. I buy all those. Now this is in the middle section, and they have all these little soft satin and grosgrain ribbons. So look, they've got footballs, cheer, they've got all different kinds of sports balls that you can get, and then just fun like stripes and checks and polka dots. There's some paw prints, chevrons. I buy a ton of these. The stars right there, I love those stars. They get them in several different colors. I wish they got them in all the colors. There's our harlequin design. See, there's another star. I love going through this section and finding all kinds of little fun patterns. These are great for any mum. I use them a lot on the ring mums, the hair bow mums, the wrist mums, and then I use them a lot for bows and stuff on the big mums. That was one of the ribbons I used on the Wada mum. So don't forget about buying tulle either, like glitter tulle. And here's some real pretty glitters. This is dark red, so if you're scarlet or crimson, you can find some pretty glitter ribbons at Hobby Lobby. They have that glitter in like 3 different sizes, so I always keep that in stock. You see they have orange, red, they have all different colors, purples, silvers, and golds. They even have that yellow, that dark yellow. I went by it way too fast, but I do keep that in stock as well. All kinds of pretty, really pretty glittery ribbons. So this is a good place to go to get some bling for your mom. Just, you see some like rainbow colors and stuff on the bottom there. That white I also used on the Wada mum. Now this was my reason for going to Hobby Lobby that day, because they had the cardstock on sale, so that is a great time to stock up on your glitter cardstock. They were out of regular silver. It looks like they have it, but they did not. It was platinum. Okay, so the orange, they keep changing the orange color, and it's driving me crazy, and it's never the bright, pretty orange. So here is what I bought. I went ahead and got one white feather boa and one black one. I do have a few feather boas, but I couldn't remember what I had, so I went ahead and got one black and one white one. And then they had all these envelopes and cards on clearance. They had a ton of them on clearance, and I wanted a bunch of them, but I did not get that many. This one holds photographs, which I thought was really cool. But I like to make my own cards, so it's nice to buy envelopes. But I thought those were fun to put a picture in and send somebody. So I just like to have a variety there. Those brown ones I will probably use for customers, because I like to make a little thank you card, at least like a printed one. Look at the holographic envelopes. I thought those were cool too. And some lavender ones. They had so many different colors and sizes. Y'all, I limited what I bought. I really wanted to buy a bunch more, but I did not. There was a white glitter in the Christmas. They were just starting to get the Christmas out, and I got that for the Wada mums as well, because it's hard to find a really good white glitter. And since the Paper Studio stuff was on 50% off, I went ahead and stocked up on some more buttons and these coffee stickers, because I get requests for coffee things on mums. I got like 3 or 4 requests last year, so I thought those stickers were fun. So here is the cardstock I ended up getting. I got one of the oranges. I do have some oranges. Black, royal blue, a navy blue. There are 2 shades of purple, so I got the regular purple and the deep purple. And then I got like 4 reds, because the reds are what I really, really needed. I've been out of those for a while. There's the gold and silver foil, which are great for guys' mums. There's the platinum. There's a brown. I actually got a brown for like a football or something. Then dark green, emerald green, and then I got several golds. Now here is all my glitter cardstocks, and I am organizing the ones that I bought, and I try to keep them all together, all the colors together, sorted together, so I can find them easily, and I know when I'm running low on any of them. And you saw, I don't know if you could see that really quickly, but I wrote navy on the back of that one. I write burgundy, I write scarlet on any of the odd colors, because once you've used them like once or twice and but you still have like half of it left, sometimes you can get confused which color it is. So I try to write really big on the back what color it is, so I know when I grab it and go to use it again that I'm picking the right color. So you can see I'm really trying to organize these well. They also used to carry the dark yellow gold, which is great for some of those golden yellow colors, but they did not have that either. So now I'm just going to show you guys me putting my stuff up. I did good. I got all my stuff organized and put up. And here's where I put all those other buttons. And I didn't need any of those other buttons that I bought, but I use so many of those. It doesn't hurt to buy it while it's on sale. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please do that. Don't forget to tap that bell for notifications on my uploads, live streams, and premieres. I upload new videos just about every Wednesday at 8:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Click on this link to subscribe to my channel. Here is my most recent upload. Here is a playlist full of wonderful videos I think you will enjoy, and here is one more video I hope you like. Have a wonderful day.